So now we're going to do a video about using WordPress, and we're going to start off with posts. Then we'll continue on to media, links, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, and tools. But for now, we'll start with posts. We're going to talk about writing new posts, editing existing posts, and kind of talking about meta data around your posts. But for right now, we're going to write a new post, and I'll show you how to do that. So what you need to do is you need to go to your dashboard, click under Posts, the link Add New, and then you'll want to put in a very descriptive title, and this is where you want to be very creative and follow your keyword research findings. The idea being here that the URL of your posts matters a lot. In fact, the title is the most important thing you can do for your website from an on-page SEO perspective. So I don't have any prepared material, but let's just say my keyword is dog training. And for puppies. Let's go a little long tail there. And then you see that the permalink got put up, which is exactly as we had hoped. And then you just start typing away. And I'll show you some formatting and stuff like that. So I'm going to pause it here, write a few things, show you some formatting. Okay, I'm back, and I wrote a little bit of text here. So I'm going to show you how to format a few things. I'm going to make this an H1 tag, and you got to click on this little icon right here, and then choose paragraph and heading 1. Here's some sample text on the next line. Here's bold. You can do Control B, or you can click on this little icon here. Here are italics, Control I, or click on this icon up here. This is an H3 tag. You do that like this. And here's a hyperlink. We'll just google.com. And we can even tell it to open the link in a new window. So we click Add Link, and we'll put this under a category, or we're going to make one on the fly, called dog training. Click Add New Category, and then we can say dog training for puppies, dog training, puppy, dog training. Then hit Add, go up here, click Publish, and then we'll view that post, see what it looks like. And it looks like this. So you can see here's our title, and up here you can see our title followed by the title of the blog or the website. Here's our H1 tag, here's some bold, italics, an H3 tag, and a hyperlink. This is our category, and these are our tags. That's it. If somebody wants to post a comment, of course they can right here, and then click on Post Comment. That's about it as far as writing new posts. Next video is going to be about editing existing posts, and I think I'll put tags and categories on the fly in there as well. Alright, thanks.